Getting to customers through email, some tips. When you want to market your business, you might wonder which techniques are the best to use. One of the most effective and time-tested strategies for marketing to current and potential customers is email marketing. Here are a few tips on how to make email marketing work for you. Provide subscribers with a way out. Place an unsubscribe link in your emails or on your website to allow them to remove themselves from your list. You should also set up your list to call itself by removing subscribers after a particular number of messages prompt no response or action from the recipient. This prevents your emails from becoming annoying to disinterested subscribers and preserves your image. Let your readers choose the layout of your content. Any messages with images, graphics and JavaScript is likely to get eaten by software filters and never seen by human eyes. Send out basic text or rich text format including a link to your website, and the option of an HTML version for those that want it. When developing an email marketing campaign, you must make your material look professional. If it does not look professional, customers will pass over it without paying any attention at all. There are plenty of scams and junk emails going around, and your legitimate marketing campaign must stand out as something they want to look further into. It is significantly more effective to build your own email list for email marketing than to purchase a list, or acquire the services of a marketing company that has their own lists. The reason for this is that everyone who submits their email address to be a part of your list is interested in the services or products that you have to offer. These people are far more likely to be receptive to your email. Email marketing is a cost-effective way of promoting your company. Use what you've learned in the preceding video to create a marketing plan that is both fresh and differentiates you from the competition. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.